Hey there, this is Shayan from Say-Sas Gaming. From now, we are starting a new series in our channel. It's called The Unboxed. So, for the first day, we are unboxing the Tenor D, which is a new device from the company Tenor, which is an Amazon exclusive company. As you can see, it's Amazon exclusive company. The device just arrived now, and we are gonna unbox it. So let's first check out the box. As you can see, the pricing here mentioned is 6,999, and but you can get in 5,999. And you can see that the model here mentioned is Tenor D. That's because it's the Tenor D. It is the newest phone from the company, and the unit we got here got 3 GB and 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal memory. There is another unit which is 2 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of memory, which is available at Amazon, and it will be available for 4,999. So here's the box. It looks similar to other Tenor devices, and it's quite identical to other Tenor devices. There's not much information written here about the device. It is made in India. As you can see here written that it's made in India, and the year and date of the manufacturing is February 2nd 2018. So it's manufactured this month, so it's quite new. As for the SAR rating, which you guys are concerned of, it's 0.841 for the head and 1.28 for the body. Okay, now let's get on with the unboxing. As you can see, the seal is already broken because I was so hyped to check this out. So let's get into it. So here's the device itself. As you can see, it looks quite premium. We got the black color. There's also another color called the AIM Gold. So we will get back to the device later. Let's check all the box contents. At first, we get the SIM ejector tool. Here, nothing fancy about it. Some instruction manual, which if you want you can read. Some device information is mentioned here. As I said that it's available in two variants, 3 gigs and 2 gigs. It got a 13 megapixel shooter and a front 5 megapixel shooter. It got a 3500 milliampere battery and a Snapdragon 425 quad core chipset. It supports SD card up to 128 GB, and it's not a hybrid slot, it's a dedicated slot. It got a 5.2 inch HD screen, and it's also got a fingerprint sensor. It's quite good to see a fingerprint sensor in such budget devices. So these are some information about the devices. Okay, let's keep it to the side and let's check all the other box contents. So at the bottom of the box you see a USB cable. This is for charging and data syncing. It's a USB to USB cable, not a USB type C cable. So it's okay. It is we have to keep in mind that it is a budget device. Okay, next we have the power brick or power adapter, which is rated at 5 volt 1 ampere. As you can see, the 5 volt and 1 ampere. This is your power brick, which is definitely not a fast charger, but it will charge your device normally. Okay, now let's move on to the device. Okay guys, here's the device itself. Let me take it out from the plastic. I have to say the device looks gorgeous. It doesn't look like a 6,000 or 5,000 rupees device. It looks gorgeous. Let me keep this plastic to the side. Okay, let me give you a physical overview first. At the top, we got a 3.5mm headphone jack and the secondary microphone. At the back side, we got the fingerprint sensor, the camera itself, the 13 megapixel shooter, as I told you before, and the LED flash. At the bottom, we got the speaker grill. There is some device information written here, and it's, as I told you before, it's made in India. Okay, let's move on to the right side. We got the power off, power on button. and the volume rockers, volume up, volume down. On the left side we got the SIM tray. Let me show you. Okay, the company has provided us with the dedicated solution, not the hybrid solution. You can add your micro SD card and 2 SIMs at the same time in this phone. Okay, let me put this back. Okay, now for the front part we got a 5.2 inch HD screen and the 5 megapixel front cam, 5 megapixel shooter, and the speaker grill here. And at the bottom we got the USB to USB micro charge cable and for data syncing purpose, and micro cable, and your main microphone. Okay. Okay, I'll be back with this device after I set it up, and I'll have my Wi-Fi set up with this device. Okay guys, I'm back with the device and it's all set it up. So let's check. Let's go to the settings first. As you can see, the phone is running on Android version 7.1.2 and the Android security patch level is January 1st 2018, which is quite good. As you can see, the phone is running on stock Android. There is no bloatware available here. There are some Tenor specific apps and some Google specific apps like Google Keep, and also some Amazon specific apps, as this is the Amazon exclusive phone, like the Amazon Shopping, Amazon Kindle, and Amazon Prime Video. I don't think you can uninstall this. No, you can't uninstall this, but you can disable this. So it's kind of bloatware free. Now let's check on the memory. Let's go to the storage. As you can see, out of 29.12 GB, the 6.25 GB is already used, so you get roughly around 23 GB. I haven't added my Google accounts or such things. So I just have added my Amazon account. As you can see, the 6.2 GB is free, and out of that you will get 23 GB. Now let's look at the RAM. Here goes the memory. As you can see, this is the first boot of this phone. The free memory is 1.7 GB and the average memory usage is 1.1 GB. So that's quite good thing. This phone has got a fingerprint sensor which is mounted at the rear. I have already set it up, and let's check it out then. Here I locked it. As you can see, the fingerprint works pretty well. Let me check again. Yeah, it works. I locked it and it works. Okay, again. Yeah, it as you can see, the fingerprint works pretty well. I'm not gonna say it's the fastest, but I'm gonna say it's precise. It works 10 times almost. Okay, now let's check on the camera app. Let me allow it. Okay, here's the tutorial. Okay, I'm gonna say hit OK. So here's the camera interface, which looks pretty like the stock camera interface. Here's the settings. Here you can adjust everything about your picture, like picture size, picture quality. If you want, you can go to high. Okay, you can go to high. You can change the storage from here. Countdown timer, face detection, ISO. So there's red eye detection, shutter sound, everything is there. So here's the beautify mode. Here's the camera switching button, and here's the here's the filter button. Let me hit that, and there are so many filters available, like mono, sepia, echo, and sketch. Okay, here's the flash button. So, and down here is you can switch between panorama shot and the video cam. If you go to the video cam and hit the settings, we will see that it's capable enough to record 1080p videos. From the settings you can okay, this device got the image stabilization, which you can use during the video capturing. Here so many options available too, like some filters like mono, sepia, echo, and sketch. You can use that if you want. Let's switch back to the camera mode. So here is the back camera. Now let's switch to the front cam. So here's how the front cam looks like. The beautify, as you can see, the beautify is already on. The picture size is set to 5 megapixel. The picture quality, let's switch to high. The same deal here, the same selfie mirror, red eye reduction. This is a quite interesting options here, as we only see these options in some professional cameras. And okay, now let's see. Let's switch to the video cam of the front cam and let's check the settings. As you can see, the front cam also is capable enough to record 1080p videos, which is quite good. And this front cam also got the image stabilization present in here. Let's take some photographs with it. Okay, now let's switch to the camera. I'm gonna bring this object close and we're gonna take some snaps. Let me focus. Okay, as you notice that the shutter speed is not that fast. It's taking, if you hit the shutter button, it's telling us to hold the camera steady to take a steady shot. That's probably because the image stabilization is disabled. But okay, that's quite a bummer. Let's check out the camera samples. This came out pretty good. You can see level of details there. There are obviously some kind of noises present in the picture, but still we have to keep in mind that this is a budget device, so it's okay. I'm okay with that. At least I'm okay with that. Okay, now let's check the front cam. Let's switch cam. The beautify is on. Okay, now let's check the quality. As you can see, I'm in the indoor lighting condition. This shot, sorry for that. I forget to silent my phone. Okay, let's back to the camera sample. Let's get back to the camera samples. As you can see, this picture came out pretty good actually for a budget device. I'm in the indoor lighting condition and there is not much lighting available here. I think I'm gonna have a good view of it when I'm outside, so I'll have to check for that. Okay, that was the unboxing video, our first ever unboxing video of any device. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Signing off, Shayan from Say-Sas Gaming.